Alright, this is a quick and easy video to tell you guys how to remove a battery or how to replace a battery on the F-150 2017. This should work for most car models from Ford from that year. So first thing you want to do is press down on this tab and then pull straight up and the lid will come off. Secondly, you're going to take off your key. There's an access point, yep, right here. And then with this, you want to pry on the back side, and it should lift up. And then you gotta make sure that you don't break these two tabs here. You lift straight up, and on the back cover, you're gonna see your batteries. Could be a CR2025s, such as these that I've destroyed. And then one faces up, one negative, another one is positive. I already replaced it, but I wanted to show you guys before I put everything back together. The installation is in reverse, so you want to go ahead and put it on the tabs there. Make sure you're on the tabs good. Yep, just want to make sure you're on the tabs here at the end. You want to squeeze down. That's a little wiggly still, but it's pretty secure. Okay, and then you want to put on the key. Jesus, man, this stuff is a struggle. Oh, the key goes in first on this side. And then lastly, you want to put on the back cover, which is like so.